Hello everyone, welcome to my Empower channel. Watch the video Daily Yoga for Beginners. Please subscribe, enable notification. Thank you and watch the video. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sarsak Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Bhum Bhuvastah Tatsuvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhin Pushtivandana Urvarukumiki Bandhana Mrityo Mokshayamamrita. Om Sanavastu Sana Bunakatu Saviryam Karvave Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishvave. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Santi Santi Santi. Om. Kapalabhati Pranayama. Kapala is considered a kriya, a cleaning practice which cleans the frontal brain. In Sanskrit, Kapala means skull and the Bhati means science. The Kapala helps to improve the functions of the organ located in the skull. How to do? Sit straight. Sit straight in Padmasana or Vajrasana. Take deep breath through the nostril. Exhale forcefully in such a way that lower abdomen is contracted to expel out the air. Inhale passively without making any effort. Do not make effort to inhale. Air will enter into the body through the passive inhalation. This is one stroke of Kapalabhati. Begin with 20 stroke at a time. This one round. One can practice 1 to 3 rounds in practical season. Gradually increase the stroke one round. Benefits: it stimulates the nerves in the abdominal region, tones the abdominal muscles, and improves the digestion. Kapalabhati expels more carbon dioxide than other waste gases from the lungs than the normal breathing does. It improves the heart and lungs capacity and therefore good for asthma. It improves the blood circulation throughout the body. It energizes the body and removes the lethargy. Limitation: those suffering from cardiovascular problems, high blood pressure, hernia, vertigo, and gastric ulcer complaint should avoid practicing Kapalabhati. Limitation: those suffering from cardiovascular problems, high blood pressure, hernia, vertigo, and gastric ulcer complaint should avoid practicing Kapalabhati. Flexibility exercise. Extend the legs, bend the toes and finger. Repeat the exercise. Move the toes front and back, rotate and toes. Repeat the exercise. Tap the floor with the legs fastly. Butterfly. Fold the legs in butterfly position. Tap the ground as fast as possible and bend forward. Touch the toes with the forehead. Bhaya Pranayama. Moola Bandha, Udyana Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha. The benefits: awakens the Kundali, cures the piles, eliminates the constipation, cures the thyroid, tonsil, digestion improves. Limitation: person suffering from anemia, high blood pressure, heart disease, intestinal ulcer should not practice these bandhas. Agnisara Kriya. It is considered as the yogic Kriya. In Sanskrit, Agni means fire and Sara means essence. This Kriya regulates the essence of fire, which is supposed to be located in the navel region. This practice regulates the functioning of abdominal organ. Agnisara Kriya can be performed sitting or standing position. Benefits: it strengthens the abdominal muscles and nerves. It improves the gastric fire, stimulates the appetite. It alleviates the constipation, sluggishness in the liver. It alleviates the dullness and depression. Limitation: persons suffering from high blood pressure, heart disease, peptic ulcer, chronic diarrhea should not perform this kriya. Chronic diarrhea should not perform the kriya. Ujjayi Pranayama. How to do? Sit in the position of Padmasana or Siddhasana. Close the mouth. Contract the lower part of the tongue and the glottis. Inhale rapidly and deeply through the both the nostrils. Fill the lungs with up to the brim. Then practice Kumbhaka as much time as possible. Then close the right nostril with the right thumb and slowly exhale through the left nostril. While exhalation expands the thoracic cage, this makes the faint sobbing sound as the glottis off closed. Anloma Vinloma Pranayama. Alternative nostril breathing. Alternative nostrils are used for each inhalation exhalation. One inhalation through the left nostril, then exhalation through the right nostril. Then in order is reversed in the inhalation through the right nostril and exhalation through the left nostril. This pranayama is called Nadi Sudh pranayama also. It is if performed with kumbhaka, holding the breath. How to do Anuloma Viloma Pranayama? Sit in the position of Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Sukhasana. Keep the body erect and place the hands on the respective knee. Raise the right hand and place the right thumb on the right nostril and close it. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Close the left nostril by ring finger and little finger and exhale through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril and thumb. Exhale through the left nostril. This one round Anuloma Viloma. Repeat in 10 times. Inhale the air slowly without bulging the abdomen. Avoid producing sound from the nose. Do not press hard on the nostrils. Benefits: it calms the mind and improves the concentration. It improves the functioning of all the cells of the body by providing them sufficient oxygenated blood. It purifies the blood. It improves the blood supply to the brain. It helps to regulate the blood pressure. It helps in managing the stress by reducing the anxiety. Flexibility exercise. Extend the legs. Bend the toes and finger and repeat. Move the toes front and back and rotate the toes. Repeat the exercise. Tap the floor with the legs and fold the legs in a butterfly position. Tap the ground. Bend forward, touch the toes with the forehead. Flexibility exercise for hand wrist, fingers, elbows, shoulders. Bending sideways in the sitting position only. Pressing the head with the palms. Back, front, forehead, left and right. Flexibility exercise for neck. Slowly bend the neck backward and front, left side and right side. Rotate the head slowly clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Brahmari Pranayama. Brahmari means the black bee. While practicing this pranayama, the sound produced through the nostril similar to the buzzing of black bee. How to do? Sit in Padmasana, close your eyes, close the ear with the ear flap and use the finger to close with gently. While inhaling, make the sound humming gently, smoothly like buzzing bee in your throat. Hold the breath for as much time as possible and exhale through the nostril. In the beginning, quick breathing stimulates the blood circulation and heat of the body increases. But in the end of it is cooled down on the account of precipitation or benefits. The practice of Brahmari delights the mind. Brahmari helps to curing the disease of the throat and bring the sweetness to the voice. Omkara Pranayama. How to do? Sit in Padmasana, take deep breathing and exhaling produce a sound as a A, O, in 1:1:2 ratio. Meditation is a yogic practice by which the mind becomes still and relaxed. Our mind always remains active and never takes rest. All kind of thoughts and emotions negatively affect it, and as a result, mind becomes disturbed. In order to pacify and relax the mind, it is to be stilled. For pacifying and relaxing the mind, meditation is very effective practice. The meditation involves focusing on single point, which could be breath, a mantra, a word, or an object. Start meditating for few minutes only, and later on you can increase its duration. Janusirasana. Sit on the ground. Place the left heel pressing the heart near the left groin. Keep the right leg stretched and straight. Hold the right foot with the hand. Exhale, draw the stomach in. Lower the head slowly. Place the forehead and chin on the knee. Remain in this position 5 to 10 seconds. Increase the time gradually. The asana can be practiced with the left leg stretched also. The benefits: this asana kindles the gastric fire and keeps the digestion. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with leg stretching front. Bend trunk forward and hold the feet with the thumbs and the first and middle finger. Exhale, bend the trunk lower so that head rest on the knees. Benefits: excessive fat around the abdomen reduces. Tone up the intestine, improve the digestion, tone up the kidney, stomach, liver, cures the constipation, indigestion, cures the liver disease and regain the elasticity. Ardha Vakrasana. In this asana, upper part of the body is twisted and the spine and back muscles are stretched. Sit on the floor, left leg stretched, right leg bent, place left leg knee. Keep the hand on the left knee and the right hand on the waist. Turn back and keep the trunk straight. Remain for a while and repeat other side by changing the legs position. Mandukasana. This asana position resembles as a frog. Place the legs backward, feet touch each other. Stretch the knees and place the hands in between. Trunk should be straight, look straight, and breathe normal. Benefits: reduce the weight of the thighs, hip, and abdomen, strengthen the lower part of the loins, stimulates the digestive system. It has got three variants. Asakasana. Start in Vajrasana posture, kneeling. Relax your torso forward over the thighs. You can bring your knees a little apart if this makes more comfortable for you. For Sasak, the Hare stretch your arms out right in front of you like a ears of the Hare. Bhujangasana. In Sanskrit, Bhujanga means serpent. In the pose of Bhujanga, one is imitates cobra and hood fully expanded. How to do? Lie on the floor, face downward. Place the palms on the ground underneath the shoulders. Slowly raise the head and trunk like a hood of a serpent. Bend the spine backward. Stretch the feet backward. Toes touches the ground. Hold breathe. Hold this position for 6 to 8 seconds. Exhale and bring the head to its original position. Chin touches the chest. Benefits: it removes the spinal pain, other spinal disorder, removes the abdominal pain. Ardha Salbhasana. Salabha in Sanskrit word for locust. While performing, body resembles as locust. When performed with one leg, it is called Ardha Salbhasana. Dhanursasana. Dhanusa means bow. The hands are used like a bowstring to pull the head, trunk, and legs up, and posture resembles bent bow. Benefits: it gives a good massage to the abdomen and cures the constipation, cures the spinal hump, rheumatism of the legs, knees, and hand. Reduce the fat, activate the intestine, and increase the digestive power, improve the respiration. Makarasana. Makara means crocodile. Chakrasana. In practicing this asana, spine twisted backward and forms a semicircle shape. Benefits: tone up the muscles of the abdomen, makes the hands and legs strong. Viloma Asana. This is also called as a Viparita Karani Muddara. Asana. This is the one of the most important asanas. All the part of the body is exercised. Benefits: makes the thyroid healthy, tone up the blood circulation, respiratory, digestive system. Halasana. Posture resembles plow. Sanskrit word of hala means plow. Benefits: nurses the spine column and nervous. Vartulasana. This asana variation of halasana. In this, body takes the shape of the circle. Benefits: reduce the fat around the loins, gives all the benefit of halasana and sarvangasana. Avasana. This asana useful for meditation, pranayama, japa. This asana precedes other asana and can be done in intervals and at the end. It relaxes the muscles and blood vessels. Though this asana looks simple, it is one of the most difficult to master. The practice of the asana aims at releasing the mind from the body. Simhasana. This asana also called as a Bhairav asana. Benefits: useful for increasing the memory power, cures the tonsillitis, throat, voice trouble, improves the respiratory system, tones the quality of voice. Beneficial for ear, eye and skin, cures the stammering. Asana. This yoga relieves the stress, boosts the immunity, fights the depression, eventually makes the people cheerful and good mood. It gives the positive energy which helps the people to connect with other people. Santi mantra. Om Dyo Santi, Andarik Santi, Prathivi Santi, Apas Santi, Avasadaya Santi, Vanaspadaya Santi, Vishvadevaya Santi, Brahma Santi, Sarvam Santi, Santireva Santi, Sama Santiregi, Om Santi, Santi, Santi. And that comes to the end of my video. Please like the video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.